Today what I will do, so I will do the revision of all the units. Okay, so that is unit number 3, unit number 4, unit number 5, as well as unit number 6. Okay, so I will tell all the formulas that is coming in the all the units, and I will tell the procedure. Okay, how it is to be solved, and I will tell all the things. Basically, if one column is there, say when this column is there, in that one, what are different types of questions they are going to ask. Okay, that one is also told in this lecture. So I request all try to concentrate what I am telling in the lecture. The same thing you have to practice in the home. Okay, if it is required, you can note down the things. Otherwise, already notes has been shared in the group. Okay, so first thing is I will start with the bending stress. Okay, I will cover all the points. I will go with one by one. So first one is bending stress. Okay, so this is the bending stress. Okay, so already you are aware. So for bending stress, what is the formula? In bending stress, the formula that is M by I is equal to F by Y is equal to E by R. This is the formula. What is the formula? M by I sigma by Y is equal to E by R. So here, what is supposed to ask? Okay. So in the examination, definitely you are going to get one question in the examination. Compulsory examination में आपका question रहेगा. So I will tell one by one. So here, what is M? M is what?
Bending moment.
M means that is bending. M is what? That is bending moment. I is what?
Moment of inertia.
Bending moment means
Newton mm
meter or kilometer meter. Okay. So bending moment can be Newton meter or kilometer meter. Next one is I. I means what? Moment of inertia. Okay. So this will be moment of inertia. What is the unit of this one? This will be mm raised to 4. M raised to 4, or you can say meter raised to 4. Please all are requested to concentrate on the board. No need to write anything. Whenever required, you can write it. Better you concentrate what I tell you, because it's very important. After that one, directly you can practice in the your home. Okay, that's why I am requesting. Please see toward the home. First M is over. Next one is I is moment of inertia. You need to use English word or English word. Next one is sigma is called bending stress. Okay, here we are studying with bending stress. Okay, so this sigma is called bending stress. Okay, so already you know what is the unit of stress. Stress will be Newton per mm square. Okay, so next one is Y. Y is the
Distance from
depth
neutral
of
axis.
distance from
Neutral axis.
okay, distance from neutral axis. Okay, this will be mm. Okay, next one is E.
Young's
That
modulus.
is Young's modulus. This will be Young's modulus. Okay, this will be Newton per mm square. And next one is R is
Radius of curvature.
R is radius. This is M. So definitely in the examination you are getting one question on this one. So first thing is I will here itself I will tell you how the problem is to solve. Okay. So first thing is M. पहला वाला क्वेश्चन हमारा that will be M. So M is bending moment. M मतलब क्या? Bending moment. Just tell me I will draw something. You are supposed to tell the things. Okay. So if you go for this one, so this is the beam. So ये मेरा beam है. Okay. Directly I will tell here itself. While solving the problem, you can directly apply these shortcuts and you can solve the problem. Okay. So M आपको question में दिया सो रहेगा. It may be given in the question or it will make you the beam. Beam with load. So how we are going to get for this one? So if this is the beam, you will say this simply supported beam with load W. So this is A, this is B. ये simply supported beam है. Okay. So you tell me. So this is RA. Okay. This will be RA and this will be RB. You should be given. So for this beam, can anyone tell me what is the value of RA? देखो load is acting exactly at the center. Load कहाँ पे act हो रहा है? Load is acting exactly at the center. So that's why. So load is acting at the center means what is the value of RA? तो इसका half उधर जाएगा, half उधर जाएगा. Is it okay? So means what is the value where RA is equal to W by 2. And here this one value is equal to W by 2. So you should remember one thing. Now I am telling now I need only M, but you need shear stress also. In case of shear stress, you need S value also. So here itself I will tell you. So this is shear force. Means for this beam, what is the value of shear force? I will write this is S, Next one is that is maximum bending moment. Maximum bending moment. I will say M. So if this is the case, shear force maximum कहाँ पे रहता है? Support पे. Shear force is maximum at support and bending moment is maximum at the percentage support beam at the center. Otherwise, wherever there is a load, we will get the maximum bending moment. देखो यहाँ पे shear force कितना है maximum? S का value maximum कितना है? S is what how much? W by 2. W by 2. अब देखो maximum bending moment इसके लिए तो if you draw the bending moment diagram, this is the case. इस तरह आता है bending moment. तो maximum bending moment यहाँ C point पे कितना आता है? C point पे कितना आता है? सेंटर पे कितना आता है? It is WL by कितना रहता है? WL by 4. WL by 4. How will calculate? देखो maximum bending moment कहाँ पे रहता है? लोड जहाँ पे उसके नीचे रहता है. तो यहाँ पे आप bending moment कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? bending moment बोलते क्या? What is bending moment? Bending moment what? Bending moment means force into perpendicular. Bending moment what? Force into perpendicular. Just see here. W by 2 to see पे bending moment कैलकुलेट करना है. तो हम solve calculate W by 2 into this length is how much? Total is L. So this will be L by 2. So what happens? W by 2 into L by 2 क्या होगा? W L by 2. समझ में आ रहा? तो it means here W L by 4. Here W L by 4. So how the question is going to come? In the examination, what he will tell you a simply supported beam with central load W. Central load कितना है? W. W की जगह से he will give something, say he will give maybe 50 kilonewton. कितना दिया? 50 kilonewton. So here, whenever if you have to calculate M, जब तुमको उसने बोला सेंटर पॉइंट W लोड है, तो M के लिए क्या करोगे तुम? उस बीम के लिए M कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? M is equal to, you are supposed to use that formula. Means what you will use? WL by 4. W means what you will substitute? 50. L means जो भी स्पैन लिया उससे substitute करो. तुम्हारा ये पार्ट निकल जाएगा. Can you get this part? So M, how it is to be given? Directly it is given in the question. Otherwise, he will give a type of the beam. So beam loading देता है, इसके सबसे maximum आपको bending moment लेना है. Whenever in the question, in the examination, what you will ask? You will ask maximum bend. Maximum bending stress you will going to ask. कौन सा रास्ते क्या पूछता है वो? Maximum bending stress पूछता है. और this case, the means simply supported beam with center point load जब रहेगा, तो maximum bending moment क्या रहता है? WL by 4. Okay, so already told how this is going to come. Otherwise, ये कैसे है बताओ? कैसे निकलते हो support reaction? आपको पता है? How will calculate support reaction? By applying COE. COE means what? Condition of equilibrium. अगर आप नहीं आ रहा तो डायरेक्ट आप करिए. Condition of equilibrium means you can go with this one. Summation of fx equal to 0. Summation of fx equal to 0. Summation of y is equal to 0. And summation of m is equal to 0. If you do this one, you will get RA as well as RB as well as C point. What happens here? Not required that one. It's simple, is no. That's why you can calculate directly. So ये पहले केस हो गया. Second case में क्या होता है? If you go for second case, if is asked telling simply supported beam with UDL. क्या बोल रहा है वो भी? Simply supported beam with UDL. The intensity is W kilonewton per meter. W kilonewton per meter. This is A, this is B. So now, if this is the span, A क्या है हमारा span. So W intensity है, span कितना है? L है. तो अभी RA RB कितना आएगा? अभी देखो usually. What is the value of R and RB? Okay, and what is the maximum bending moment? आपको पता करना चाहिए directly. Otherwise, if you do this one, no, again it will take 4 to 5 minutes. That's why for standard cases you should remember the standard values. Maximum shear force कितना आता है? Maximum bending moment कितना आता है? आपको पता रहना चाहिए. देखो UDL है, देखो UDL को तुम पार्ट लोड में कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? W into L. Intensity of the load into span. So W into L. तो total load हो गया. तो टोटल लोड हो गया तो हाफ इधर जाएगा हाफ उधर जाएगा तो WL इज द टोटल लोड हाफ बोलते कैसा WL by 2 इधर जाएगा WL by 2 उधर जाएगा सो हियर RA will be what WL by 2 and RB is also equal to WL by 2 WL by 2 okay so next so यहाँ पे तुम्हारा S का वैल्यू क्या आएगा S will be equal to if it is UDL याद रखो तो पहले केस में क्या है तुम्हारा फर्स्ट केस if it is center point load S is equal to what S is equal to जोर से बोलो थोड़ा
W by 2
S is equal to W by 2 and what is bending moment W by 4 ऐसा करके कोई रिवीजन करने की जरूरत नहीं उसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ आप भी बोलिए तो आपके कान में भी जाएगा तो याद भी रहेगा उसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ so if it is UDL here what is the value shear force का वैल्यू क्या रहता है WL by 2 WL by 2 और maximum bending moment WL square by 8 कितना रहता है WL square by 8 okay next one is if you go for the third case okay for third case you will go with the cantilever beam okay cantilever beam with 0.5 load at the free end. So this is the point load at the free end. For this is the case. So for shear force will be यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही वर्टिकल लोड है, जितना वर्टिकल लोड आएगा उतने रिएक्शन आएगा कि नहीं, सेम रिएक्शन इनका. सो ये shear force will be equal to W. shear force क्या आएगा? W आएगा. और मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग कहाँ पे आता है? यहाँ पे आता है. तो बेंडिंग बोलते हैं क्या? force over resistance W into L. So यहाँ पे तुम्हारा क्या आएगा? When there is a point load at the free end, that will be W into L. और next case, fourth one. For fourth case, if this is the case, so fourth case में क्या रहेगा? Simply supported beam with UDL. Simply supported beam with UDL. This is the span L. So next same thing कैसे करेंगे? कैसे करोगे इसको भी? अब देखो इसका भी टोटल इंटेंसिटी कितना होता है? W into L. तो यहाँ पे क्या? यहाँ पे भी W into L होता है. और यहाँ पे सपोर्ट कितने हैं? दो है. उसमें हाफ इधर गया, हाफ इधर गया. इधर सपोर्ट कितने हैं? तो WL पूरे इधर जाएगा कि नहीं? तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारे S का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? This will be equal to WL and that side bending moment. बेंडिंग मोमेंट यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करना है. तो कैलकुलेट करते हैं कैसे करते हैं? बेंडिंग मोमेंट कैसे करते हैं? फोर्स इनटू परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. हाउ विल कैलकुलेट? फोर्स इनटू परपेंडिकुलर. सो W इनटू L क्या हो गया? फोर्स. और कहां पे एक्ट होता है? सेंटर पे. ये सेंटर से डिस्टेंस कितना है? L/2. W इनटू L इनटू L/2 क्या हो गया? WL स्क्वायर पे कितना आएगा? W इनटू L. W इनटू L इनटू L/2. सो दिस विल बी WL स्क्वायर पे 2. WL square by 2. Okay, get over directly. So for this case, this is the thing you have to do. Bending moment के लिए इस तरह आएगा. तो ये छोड़ के कुछ भी नहीं होगा. So maybe here, if you go for this, so this is the one case. Maybe triangular पे भी आ सकता है. Okay, triangular पे भी आ सकता है. We may ask triangular load. Otherwise, one more case we will tell. Here I will write. Okay, next इस तरह रह सकता है. This is the case. So this is W. If this is W, okay, this is A. This is B. So this is total is L. Total is L. Here RA कितना आता है देखो. This is L/3 डिस्टेंस पे दोनों लोड. ये दोनों लोड कितना डिस्टेंस पे L/3. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा ना, you can apply this condition. Summation Fx equal to 0, summation Fy equal to summation M करो, RA आगे निकल जाए. अब देखो दोनों सेम डिस्टेंस पे कि नहीं? सपोर्ट सेम डिस्टेंस पे. तो ये क्या करेगा? RA इक्वल टू यहाँ पे W आएगा या RB इक्वल टू कितना आएगा? W आएगा. It is from same distance. Otherwise you can calculate, you can get the things. Okay. So same thing for this case. यहाँ पे इस केस के लिए कौन सा आएगा? यहाँ पे तुम्हारा W आएगा. देखो मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग मोमेंट यूजुअली मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इन द केस ऑफ जहाँ पे लोड रहता है वहाँ पे रहता है. Otherwise you can calculate. Sometimes it will change, but always most probably it will come below the loading only. So देखो मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग मोमेंट यहाँ पे ज्यादा रहता है. तो यहाँ पे बेंडिंग मोमेंट देखो when in the question what you will ask the maximum bending stress. क्या पूछता है? मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग स्ट्रेस. मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग स्ट्रेस कहाँ पे आता है? जब पे तुम्हारा मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग होता है. जब मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग होता है बेंडिंग स्ट्रेस में मैक्सिमम रहेगा ना. सो सेम केस यहाँ पे बेंडिंग मोमेंट मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग मोमेंट यहाँ पे ज्यादा आता है. तो यहाँ पे तुम बेंडिंग मोमेंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? बेंडिंग मोमेंट को और फोर्स इनटू परपेंडिकुलर. फोर्स क्या है? W. डिस्टेंस कितना है? L/3. तो क्या होगा तुम्हारा? WL/3. WL/3. For this last case, this will be WL square by 2 and this will be WL/3. WL/3. Is okay for everyone?